Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show how to install Golang, Go programming language compiler on Windows operating system. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and browse this URL go.dev and then click on download link. Okay, now select the operating system for which you want to download Golang. I'm going to download the latest stable version of Go for Windows operating system. So click here to download the Go Windows installer for 64-bit operating system. It may take a while for downloading, and also you can download directly from featured download section. Directly click on this download link. Okay, after a successful download, navigate to download folder and open this installer. Okay, now click on the next button, then accept the terms and license agreement, then click on next. Now select the destination folder where you want to install Go. This is the default installation folder. If you want to change this, click on the change button and then browse the folder, then click on next. Now click on the install button to begin the installation. If you asked a question from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes to verify the publisher. It may take a while for installing Go on Windows operating system. That's it. Setup completed. Click on finish to exit the setup wizard. Let's verify the installation. Open command prompt. Type this command go version. If you see look like this, that means Go installed successfully on Windows operating system. That's it. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.